to see. Today we're gonna draw a cute flamingo. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you won't miss my new lesson. Now let's look at the picture. The first job we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here on the top of the paper and take a dark pink marker or color pencil and draw a circle. Come around, come back up to the top and connect it. Then let's draw the body. I draw this shape in the middle of the paper and draw a curve under the head and draw a big curve. Then draw another curve under this line, big curve, and let's connect them. Okay, I like your line. Keep it up. Now let's connect head and body with sideways S shape. I start in the middle of the circle, then draw a curve to the right and down, then to the left and down. Oh, you're doing great! I like your line. And let's draw the same line. I start over here on the top of the circle, draw a curve to the right, then curve to the down and left, and connect with the body. Now let's draw eye. Draw big circle inside this circle, inside the head. Draw a circle. Okay, that's right. Now let's use light pink and draw a beak. I start over here in the middle of the left side of the head and draw diagonal line, then curve down and stop. Then I start over here at the end of this line and draw a curve to the up and right. Then let's connect with the head with straight diagonal line. Then let's draw its legs. I draw vertical line under the body. Then in the middle I draw a small heart over here. Then let's draw two diagonal lines and connect these ends with two curve 1, 2. Then let's draw another leg. I draw diagonal line to the down and right, then another diagonal line to the left and down. And now let's draw two small or short diagonal lines to the down and connect these ends with two curves, the first and the second. Over here let's add small oval. Our drawing is almost ready. Let's color it together. You can choose any color you like. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you won't miss my new lessons. Also, you and your parents can download and print my cute coloring page. All links in the description under the video. Now let's color it together. Let's use light pink and color beak and legs. We trace around the edge again. Try not to go beyond the line. Try to color oval completely from edge to edge so that the white lines of the paper are not visible. Don't rush. Quietly we will color everything together with you. Then I choose black for eye and draw a circle inside this circle and then draw a small oval in this eye. And let's color this black circle and leave this oval white. Let's draw diagonal line over here in the beak, tracing this part of beak and color it. And let's add smile. Little curve over here. Now it's time to color head, neck and body with dark pink color. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. The first step is tracing. The next step is coloring inside. Use short strokes. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. Now choose light violet and draw a blush. Under the eye, draw an oval and color it. Then let's add a wing. Draw 5 curves to the down over here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then let's draw 4 curves over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's add 3 curves. 1, 2, 3. If you want, you can add eyelashes. Oh, I like your drawing. Your flamingo is so cute. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Take me in photo, Nanny Julie art. Also, you and your parents can download and print my free coloring page. All links in the description under the video. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye!